Hey there, fellow makers and manufacturers. Are you tired of the hassle of cutting and processing different shapes of tubes for your projects? Well, say goodbye to those woes because we've got just the solution for you, the EcoFlex laser tube cutting machine. The EcoFlex laser tube cutting machine is a durable and widely used laser tube cutting machine for pipe processing. It's suitable for different shapes of tubes, such as round, square, rectangular, triangular, oval, waist, and other special-shaped pipes. That's right, no more limitations on the types of tubes you can work with. And check this out, the EcoFlex laser tube cutting machine comes equipped with an advanced CNC bus controller system, based on China's FSCUT bus controller. This means high precision, fast speed, more stable work, and easier maintenance. Plus, the 3D view of the tube makes it super easy to operate, and it includes tubist laser cutting system nesting software. It's like having a high-tech assistant right by your side. But wait, there's more. The EcoFlex laser tube cutting machine features a dust-free, finished pipe collection system. No need to adjust the claws for pipe diameters within the range of 20 to 200 millimeters, switch pipe types at will, and clamp in place at one time. It's like magic, but better. Now, let's talk about the real game changer here. The EcoFlex laser tube cutting machine is a type of fiber laser cutting machine, which means it only cuts different metal material pipes, stainless steel, carbon steel, brass, aluminum profiles, you name it. And here's the best part, it's a non-contact high-precision cutting method, so no more worries about deformations during the production process. Need to cut intricate designs on pipes or perform high-precision perforations? No problem. The EcoFlex laser tube cutting machine makes it easy peasy. Plus, with its intelligent CNC laser controller, you can easily change your production design approach in a snap. So there you have it, folks. The EcoFlex laser tube cutting machine, your ultimate partner in pipe processing. Say goodbye to the old ways of cutting and processing tubes, and say hello to a new era of efficiency and precision. Get your hands on the EcoFlex laser tube cutting machine today and take your projects to the next level. Thanks for tuning in, and happy making!
FindSupply, a completely non-profit foreign trade service platform,